Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, you must be surprised with this video because my videos come in the morning in the Asian session. And now this video is coming before the US session. And the reason is this correction on the chart of gold. In the morning when we were discussing about gold was trading at 3145. I told you guys that I had a buy at 3145. Yes, my SL is hit. Again, I took a buy at 3125 and you can easily guess that my 3125 positions SL is also hit. Okay, so we have a correction on the chart of gold and it is a very good. Yes, two of my SLs are gone, but I'm not sad because finally we can see some correction on the chart of gold. In the morning also we discussed that whatever we have on gold right now, okay, it's not healthy. A correction was extremely important from the perspective of demand and supply. Gold was continuously going up. It was becoming very dangerous for us to take buy position also. Okay, and obviously selling was also out of the question because gold was bullish. But if the correction comes, then yes, it will be better, okay, for all of us. And now, okay, let's wait and watch. I will not suggest any position right now here because we are still not sure whether it is a correction or not. I'm not talking about trend reversal here because if a trend reversal comes, then this downside will continue for the next couple of days and weeks. The possibility of a trend reversal is very less because we do not have any solid fundamental reason. But yes, okay, from technical perspective, okay, a correction is important. Maybe we will see gold coming to 3050 area. If market breaks 3050, then gold will be heading towards 3000 level. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, I think okay, market will be heading towards 3050 as of now. As a result, okay, try to avoid any buy position. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, we made good money in the last couple of weeks, okay, by taking buy position. SL getting hit is part of the game. But if you have blown your account, because I have received few messages that you have blown your account, then you need to seriously work on your risk management. Because see, one or two trade may go wrong, but if one trade or two trades are just taking away all your account, then you are gambling. You are unknowingly gambling with your hard-earned money. So you need to work on your risk management. And if the selling pressure on gold continues, and if you already have a sell, you can hold your sell position. And if you're looking for buy in the market right now, I will not suggest anything. If market bounces also from this particular level here, just wait and watch. Don't do anything. Okay, because you need to be disciplined mentally. For example, see, when market came to 3125, market bounced. Okay, market bounced for 40-50 pips. I did not exist. Okay, when market came to 3101, almost 3000, 3100 area, market bounced. I did not. Okay, so emotional control is very important. Okay, so be careful. Okay, do not trade as of now. Okay, if you do not have any open position, if you have any ongoing buy right now, and if the market continues the downside, please exit. Otherwise you will be losing your whole account. And I also have an announcement to make that I'm starting a new Telegram community for every one of you so that I can give you timely notifications and also update you about the market because I upload my videos in the morning. Okay, and sometimes things change drastically during the European session or US session. And our only mode of communication is through my videos, and due to shortage of time, I'm unable to upload during the US session or during the European session. So it will be easier for me to just drop a message on Telegram. For example, in the morning, we discuss about buying opportunities. If the geography of the market changes during the US session, then it will be easier for me to communicate over the Telegram community. Okay, so the name is the Trader Luxor Academy. Okay, you'll find a link in the description box. Okay, it's a free community. You guys are most welcome okay, to join. Okay, hopefully I will be able to provide you um, knowledge information from my side. Okay, and in the around 4 to 5 days ago, I realized the same and I was unable to do anything. So I just uploaded what's not WhatsApp, Instagram story. But I could understand that okay, Instagram story, okay, is not enough. Okay, so that day it came to my mind to start, okay, start a free group for everyone. Okay, and today, okay, after this big move or after the correction on goal, okay, it really came to my mind that this is a high time to start a community for everyone so that I can help you guys with the timely updates. Okay, so please join the free Telegram community. Okay, you'll be hearing from me on the community from tomorrow onwards. Okay, and let's see where the market closes. Please do not do anything right now. The things are not very stable on gold. Okay, let's see where the market closes. I'll come again in the morning.